let's make first one slip knot. Turn your yarn just like this and tighten up. And now I will make 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chain, and then yarn over twice on your hook. 1, 2. 2 time yarn over, and then insert your hook in very first chain over here in the starting one. So insert your hook like this, and then pull the yarn, and then yarn over, and now I will pull through only one yarn, then yarn over again, pull through 2, then yarn over again, pull through 2 stitches, then yarn over again, pull through 2. Okay, now I have this, and then yarn over once and insert your hook between these chains, insert like this, then pull the yarn. So 1 time, again yarn over, 2 time, then again yarn over, 3 time, again yarn over, 4, again yarn over, 5, again yarn over, 6. It's totally up to you. You want to do 6 time or 5 time. So again, now yarn over and pull through all. So just be careful. Pull through all here, and then so just keep it like this, all the yarn, and this is our stitch. Again insert your hook in the very first chain over here, this stitch, pull the yarn, and now make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I have here 2 stitches. If you see, we have here yarns, and this is 1, 2 stitches. So yarn over and pull through 2 of them here. Now we have this ring kind of. Then turn your work. Now I will make next one, 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then yarn over twice on your hook like this. And over here, if you see, we have this bead or puff stitch just on the center, on the top here, on the top this. Insert your hook here, you will find your 1 stitch or chain kind of here. Insert your hook. Now yarn over, pull through yarn, pull the yarn, then yarn over, pull through 1 stitch, then yarn over, pull through 2 stitches, then yarn over, pull through 2 stitches, yarn over, pull through 2 stitches. We have here this, then yarn over once, insert your hook in this ring, pull the yarn 1 time, again 2, again 3, 4, 5, and 6. I have 6 time yarn on my hook. Now yarn over and pull through all like this. I have this stitch here, and now we don't need to close this, just insert your hook here. Now in this, not in the top where we did already, here next to this here, I hope you guys can see, this is our stitch over here. We did our triple crochet. On the next here we have chain. If you see, just little bit turn, you will find out. Insert your hook here, pull the yarn like this. Now make 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then yarn over, pull through 2. So we have here now 2 ready. So same we will repeat now. Turn your work, make 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then yarn over twice on your hook and insert your hook in the very center one. Pull the yarn, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Then yarn over. Here insert your hook in the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now pull through all like this, and then in the next stitch over here, not this, next one here, insert your hook, pull the yarn, 5 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 chain, and then yarn over, pull through 2. Done. Now if you see, this is, we are getting here something like this. You can see very closely as well. And this side, so here, it's very cute, very beautiful. And now you can just keep repeating this. I'm going to show you once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over twice on the center one. Very center. Pull the yarn. Pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Then yarn over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull through all, and then next here, next stitch, pull the yarn. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then pull through all here. Now ready. So keep going on, repeat this pattern as long as you want to make your lace length. So you can use this as, if you're making any dress, you can make strip, dress strip you can make. So this is very beautiful lace. I'm going to make some more these thing, and then I'll show you how this looks like longer.